Hello, guys. So, welcome to today's evening show. My name is CHUKS, and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So, if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So, for now, I will start with our tonight's show. All right. So, Goal.com, can you give us a report? Goal.com, the Daily Canon. So many people they talk about this to say Arsenal go earn over £100 million if dem fit beat Real Madrid for the Champions League tie wey dem just get the round of eight. Now, say before this match, we don already earn £86 million. So this particular match, once we win am, go close to the final, the semi-final. So for that reason, we'll get more injection of revenue. Now, let's see how the Goal.com reported this particular story. They say payday for Arsenal Gunners to land mega nine-figure windmill thanks to Champions League run, but only if they defeat Real Madrid. You get. Now, when you continue with the reports, you go down deep. They say, according to football finance expert Kieran O'Connor, through the Times, Arsenal stand to receive a massive financial boost from their Champions League campaign, with their earnings expected to surpass £100 million, which is about $130 million, if they manage to beat Real Madrid and progress to the semi-finals. The North London club is benefiting from UEFA's revamped prize distribution system, which places a great emphasis on performance-based rewards rather than historical success. Now, when you look at how the Daily Canon reported this particular story, they Arsenal will earn £100 million if they knock out Real Madrid. But I like the way they put out their own, because they still lay emphasis on how much you don't earn so far. So far, we've earned £86 million, which is about 102 million euros. So now the amount we don't earn, I see Liverpool don't earn 83 million, Arsenal Villa 71 million, Man City 64 million. You get, but now we and Arsenal Villa still there for the race. So anytime we could beat Real Madrid, our money it go jump, it go skyrocket. So at least now Arsenal have a financial incentive to beat Real Madrid. You get something, at least look at the difference between 80 something million and over 100, but like they're looking at like 20 million excess. Yeah, so we'll just watch however the thing go. I just pray say this one it really push them on. Now the ESPN UK only talk say David Raya has the best success rate, like safe success rates in the Premier League this season. Arsenal have also considered the fewest league goals according to who scored. So Raya has a 74.7% safe percentage. You see this Raya, this guy is fast growing to become like number one, or like England number, I think like the EPL league ranking, like number one goalkeeper. I get even continue with this trajectory. Only say once in a while, some kind thing will just touch him. It will not do some silly errors. But overall, the guy is a very good keeper I get. And at least that argument of Raya good, Raya no good, this is other argument now I don't die. I remember when I went signed this guy, when I was a strong advocate for Raya, I was really praising him, Tennessee, but people called like a lot of people came for me there. But since today now, you get. So all of us the battle the guy, say the guy at least I don't know whether na only me, but I know say anytime we say we get corner against us, and they get confidence, say Raya go do something. Get he hard. Say Raya go share come outside, point out, we go catch him. You get the guy dey still confidence where I did. But like I said, occasionally we just do some kind of things that will make us talk about her in a negative way. But that aside, is a good keeper. Now the PFA, when they complain on wetin Real Madrid women do Arsenal women. Because people going to look and say, Pata just there for the pitch. Now, so what? Papa, that's like, I saw one comment today. Somebody was saying, after women are supposed to complain. After all, should be the Real Madrid women say, follow play for the mud. After all, the mud follow disadvantage them. I could say, Papa, why? I don't understand. This is their home. They are used to the mud. They are used to the bad pitch. We say we're not used to this kind of pitch. We don't train in this kind of atmosphere. You can't expect us to understand that the way we say them understand that. Come on now. You need to understand say there are some dark arts where they did for this football. We say you know we really understand them. That's what they did to Arsenal women. Like I was listening to Rene, the coach of the Arsenal women. He said no shaking. She be the don't use that Joro. We said no shaking. This is just half time. Nobody look and say maybe everything don't finish. They are coming to the Emirates Stadium. Nobody say we carry them go on. They are coming to the Emirates Stadium where we will show them how it is to play good football. Because the Professional Footballers Association have warned substandard pitch conditions. It puts player safety at risk following a number of recent concerns. Now, the Arsenal match, I'm going to say, it caused a lot of gbege. Now, when you read down and go to the report, the PFA, they can't post a picture from the game. Come they talk say, pitches like this don't just impact the quality of the game. Come on, you are putting the safety of our players at risk. Get so on multiple occasions over the past few days on in important ties, our members have been asked to play in substandard conditions. Well, I just hope they find this Real Madrid. Maybe they don't try this kind of thing and try again. We don't want to see such a thing in football. Now, away from that, so the Sun when they give us an exclusive report of one of the people wey be say dey for Arsenal when dem build the Emirates Stadium, because the man come dey warn about this our new stadium redevelopment. Because you know say now they talk say okay they wan extend or expand the Emirates Stadium. We never know how many numbers it go come be now, because the real say Manchester United wan carry am to like 100,000. Everybody wan increase. Arsenal have been warned about expanding the Emirates by former managing director Kit Edelman. Yeah, so Baba talk plenty. Look at Kit Edelman back then when they build the Emirates Stadium finish. Yes, they were very, very happy. Baba can talk say yes. Say the Emirates Stadium has stood the test of time. If you look at me, go to say they just been on 2 years ago. No going to say they don't take on don't like 20 years or thereabout. He said the Emirates Stadium opened in 2006. Yes, okay, like we may never reach 20 years. Yeah. 2006, and Edelman was crucial in the construction of the stadium, which houses over 60,000. Now, we cannot go to read much, but back when talk say the cocoa be say say it just be like Wembley now. See the way Wembley big, the fans are further away from the pitch. You get, and it no make sense. Like for the Emirates Stadium, we are close to the players. You get, but say anytime we go in there, expand that. The figure expand in the way we say the fans no go dey see the pitch well. So it no go make sense. It go make the bond between the players and the fans. You know, go dey like I know everyone wants to go bigger, but when I go to Wembley, I don't enjoy the experience. You are too far away from the pitch. You get, so now we're saying Baba the talk. Well, my own be say the angle wey me I dey look at, na the fact say by the time they start this expansion sometimes they take 2 years, 3 years. I no wan hear say the money wey we supposed to use buy player na they can't use to do the expansion. Because far back when they were building the Emirates Stadium, the mantra, the narrative then was the money we were supposed to use invest. Now we use build stadium. Even our top players, anybody don't be that to sell them. Carry the money, invest in the building. Yeah. That's why we don't really borrow much. Yeah. We built it so handed. Like now we build them by our own sweat and blood, invest, sacrificing players to build this stadium. Yeah. So I know that's the story. I went to Manchester United player, people said they talk say it will take like $1 billion, you get, to rebuild that their own stadium. So how would you well more just the watch anyhow they go. I did to let you know. All right, let's bring you our first message from one of our sponsors, Adexwella Aluminium and Glass. So they are into aluminium windows and doors, frameless glass, stainless rail, sunbreaker and cladding, aluminium roofing, office partition, cashier cubicles, and many more. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on 070-8638-9722, and they're located at number 64 Itire Road, Kayode Bus Stop, Mushin, Lagos. So if you're interested in any of the services, please do reach out to them. Now, away from that, so Alexander Isak going to respond to Arsenal transfer interest when they don't go back to Sweden. So one of the media when they ask him, say, Alpha, this one we say Arsenal they pursue, Liverpool they pursue. Who you would like to join at the end of the day? Baba say, see, it's a day like this now. I know they think of the future. I just want to perform for Liverpool. Now that we've won the cup, we want to finish strong and qualify for the Champions League. That's my focus. Not who I will sign against. So I know they think of the future, live the future. Our immediate concern now, are we going to qualify for the next round of Champions League next season? Yes, because everybody won't participate for that competition. Look at the kind of money we Arsenal don't make now. This people would like to make that kind of money. So that's the thing where they attract people to the competition. Now, away from that, Hand of Ozil, can they let us know, say a club source, an Arsenal source told him that they see like a captain potential for where Matthew Skelly Day for the future. So he has the mentality of a seasoned veteran for such a young boy. Yes, Martial, Miles, and Ateta are all very clear on this future pathway at Arsenal. Well, that one said he did. Yes, I just pray say may the guy grow for this Arsenal, play so many games for us, it's still very, very young. Yes, so and he can grow to become one of the best defenders in world football. Who knows? Maybe we'll transition to midfield like I said that talk in the future. Well, we'll just watch. Now, so the call it check Poly Markets will be like one of the prediction sites. Poly Market became popular after they predicted who was going to win the United States of America election, and Donald Trump won it. So them they predict and they give the ratio of the people who finish for top four. So this is their own analysis. So they say Liverpool 99% to finish in the top four, Arsenal 98%, followed by Nottingham Forest 63 and come down. Okay, don't say it is now looking that Arsenal no fit come up for this top four, no matter how it won't be. You get with what other people say they play and what will they play. So we've gotten that in the bag at most. I don't say second, Shola will get our second place, get, which will be like a hat trick of second, get. So next season, we hope say we'll go one step further. Now, away from that, so they come to look at the valuation of Itawaneri by Transfer Market. So they say Itawaneri is the joint most valuable under 21 Premier League player, valued at 55 million euros, followed by Kobe Maino and all that. So that one said they, well, the money said video. How many games this guy don't play? Said look at, because they look at the future potential. What thing will you do in the future? You get. Now look at this player. The way they talk say the guy really resembles Saka. It's not Sukayo Baka. As it's in the trend for Twitter, you get. They say, oh, this is that Bukayo Saka twin. You get. Well, it's just funny. The guy now Chelsea player self. So that was safety. All right, let's quickly bring you a message from our second sponsor powering tonight's video. So Moby World Associates and Co Limited, they're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234. They're located at number 7 the Kennywood Road, Oreazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do reach out to them. Now, the biggest things of the night, some of the facts say Arsenal don't they set to earn over 100 million pounds if they beat Real Madrid. This one will be our prize money for participating in Champions League. So presently we already earn 86 million or 87 million thereabouts. So if we beat Real Madrid, our money will pass 100 million. So at least we're going to get financial incentive to beat Real Madrid. And with that being said, my dear Arsenal team is a fine place for us called Show and so till I come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night. All right, guys. Bye bye.